Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out 1,864 forms step by step. Start by gathering your ID, payer details, and supporting documents before you begin. Enter accurate personal information in Section A, double-check spelling and numbers. Record transaction amounts on line 1 using digits, and note dates in mm/dd format. Review calculations carefully, use a calculator, and keep copies for your records and future reference today. Begin Section B by typing or writing the payer and payee names exactly as their legal ID read to prevent errors. Next, enter all monetary figures with digits and decimals and double-check arithmetic with a calculator. Fill in dates using mm/dd format and confirm any required signatures are dated. If a line seems unclear, pause, consult the instruction notes, and correct entries before moving forward to avoid rework later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your workspace tidy while you focus on form details. It's a small convenience that saves time when you're organizing paperwork. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After filling each section, perform a thorough review to catch misplaced digits or swapped fields before submission. Compare each subtotal to final totals and re-add amounts with a calculator to confirm accuracy. If you find errors, follow correction rules. Avoid messy edits, reprint or start fresh if necessary, and initial any legitimate changes. Finally, scan and store copies securely so you can retrieve them quickly if questions arise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.